Hi, I'm Lynn, sales manager at Keewin. I'm at InfoComm 2026, and you are looking at Kiwi's signature model. That is our IP66 series. We are offering this in 7 different sizes. It's for full outdoor use. We are offering the brightness from 2,500 nits to 4,000 nits. And this one is UL certified, so it's friendlier to get into the North American markets. And the great thing about this model is the flexibility. So you are now looking at the panel only, but it can be flexibly integrated into a lot of different mounting systems here. So for various application scenarios like drive-through QSR, retail, or with our circular polarizers, it can also be used as a outside window for retail displays, and it is flexible in multiple ways. So if you are interested in this model and wanted to look out for more, please visit www.kiwi.com. Thank you.